Hi guys, welcome to Ignite India Education. This is the biggest online platform for design, architecture, management and law entrance exams. Today we will be taking the session on paper texture, which means we will try to see how we can manipulate paper and work with it to, give it different kinds of textures and everything. We have with us today Piyush. Piyush, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible, visible to you?
Ye-
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
he'll
ma'am.
be taking the class for all of you with me. We also have Krishna sir here with us, who will be talking to you for a short period of time and give you some information after few minutes. Okay. So Piyush, we welcome you here. Do you want to introduce yourself to everyone? And then we can start.
Hello.
Yes, Piyush, you are audible.
Hello. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So, मैम न्यू स्टूडेंट भी हैं इसमें?
हाँ, इसमें सारे न्यू स्टूडेंट्स हैं पीयूष, और हमारे नए बैच के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो इनका ये क्लास पहले हुआ नहीं है. सो
ओके. ओके. सो आई थिंक सबके पास पेपर्स और फेविकोल सीजर्स सभी लोग लाए होंगे. डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ पेपर्स बताया गया था, तो क्या सब लोग लेके आए हो आप लोग? शो मी योर पेपर्स.
एवरीवन शो योर पेपर्स ऑन द स्क्रीन. सौरभ, पेपर कहाँ है? मटेरियल्स कहाँ है? लेके आइए.
Yes, sir.
I hope everyone has these papers, have a paper cutter, have a Fevicol, a scissor.
मानसा, यस मैम. वीडियो ऑन कराइए. काफी बच्चों का वीडियो ऑन नहीं है, तो कुछ आज हम लोग पेपर टेक्सचर्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे कि पेपर टेक्सचर्स का क्या रोल होता है सिचुएशन टेस्ट में, प्लस ये सारी चीजें. क्योंकि काफी बार क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं कि आपको किड्स के लिए है जो रूम डिजाइन करना है, या फिर डिजाइनर्स के लिए रूम डिजाइन करना है, या फिर कोई इंटीरियर दे जाता है, किंडरगार्टन दे दिया जाता है, तो उसमें है जो टेक्सचर्स का बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है. क्योंकि आप है जो टेक्सचर्स प्लस शेप के थ्रू ही आप है जो एक स्पेसिफिक पर्सनालिटी को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हो. कि रूम है जो किसी डिजाइनर का है, तो आप देख के बोल दो हाँ ये डिजाइनर का रूम है. या फिर आप किसी किड्स के लिए है जो शोरूम डिजाइन कर रहे हो, या फिर विंडो डिस्प्ले, तो टेक्सचर्स का बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है. तो आज हम टेक्सचर्स के ऊपर वर्क करेंगे. डिफरेंट टाइप के टेक्सचर्स जो कि मैंने बनाए हुए हैं, प्लस ये इसकी टेक्निक्स होती हैं, काफी सारी कटिंग होती है, प्लस आप डिफरेंट टाइप के शेप्स यूज कर सकते हो जैसा आपको मूड चाहिए. तो मैंने 2-3 टेक्सचर्स बनाए हुए हैं. प्लस ये टेक्सचर्स सो आप लोगों को दिख रहा होगा, इससे एक कीवर्ड्स निकल के आता है. देखने के बाद से क्या लगता है हर एक टेक्सचर्स का. तो इस टेक्सचर्स में आप लोगों को क्या शो हो रहा है जैसा कि टेक्सचर्स बनाया गया है? कीवर्ड्स
Abstract.
ऑब्स्ट्रैक्ट. और भी लोग हैं ना आई थिंक इस लेक्चर में. सभी लोग बताओ क्या आप लोगों को इसमें फील हो रहा है, क्योंकि सबके अलग अलग व्यूज हो सकते हैं, राइट? तो आप सभी लोग बताओ.
I think abstract too.
ऑब्स्ट्रैक्ट.
Wild,
वाइल्ड.
like wild grass or
Okay.
something.
सो वही कंफ्यूजन, डिस्ट्रैक्शंस, तो सबके अलग अलग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू हो सकते हैं. बट टेक्सचर्स का क्या होता है, जो आप कीवर्ड्स लेते हो और टेक्सचर्स बनाते हो, तो वो कीवर्ड सेकेंड पर्सन को भी दिखना चाहिए. क्योंकि आप जो मॉडल्स बना रहे हो, कोई चीज आप कहीं पे पेस्ट कर रहे हो, तो वहां पे जो एग्जामिनर्स है उसके लिए बना रहे हो, ना कि आप अपने लिए बना रहे हो, राइट? तो आप ऐसे कीवर्ड्स या फिर ऐसे है जो पैटर्न्स यूज करें कि सेकेंड पर्सन को भी है जो समझ में आए कि आपने वहां पे एग्जैक्ट में क्या पेस्ट किया है. तो जो इसकी टेक्निक होती है, कटिंग होती है, प्लस फोल्डिंग होती है, प्लीटिंग होती है, डिफरेंट टाइप की टेक्निक्स होती हैं. आज हम लोग यूज करेंगे उसमें. प्लस आप सभी लोग है जो क्या नाम है एक एक कीवर्ड्स लोगे और उसके ऊपर है जो आप टेक्सचर्स बनाना स्टार्ट करोगे। प्लस जो इसके यूजेस हैं कि आप कहाँ यूज कर सकते हो, काफी लोग पूछते हैं, जैसे कि आप एज ए फोटो फ्रेम हो गया, इंटीरियर डिजाइन हो गया, या फिर आप सरफेस पे यूज कर सकते हो, ट्रॉफी हो गया, या फिर मोमेंटो में आप कोई एक स्पेसिफिक टेक्सचर्स देना चाहते हो कि बच्चों के लिए है, या फिर आप फूड से रिलेटेड है जो ट्रॉफी बना रहे हो, तो यहाँ पे टेक्सचर्स का बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है। क्योंकि ऐसे डायरेक्ट कोई चीज को कट करके वहां पे सभी लोग करके आएंगे, बट ऑब्स्ट्रैक्ट फॉर्म जो होता है ना, वो एग्जामिनर्स को ज्यादा है जो अट्रैक्ट करता है कि बच्चे के अंदर दिमाग है, उसने है जो इनडायरेक्ट वे में है जो अंडरस्टैंड कराने की कोशिश की है, राइट। तो आज हम सभी लोग एक एक कीवर्ड्स लेंगे, उसके ऊपर है जो टेक्सचर्स क्रिएट करेंगे। प्लस जो टेक्सचर्स होते हैं या फिर कोई शेप्स होते हैं, उसकी भी टेक्निक होती है। इसका मतलब ये नहीं अगर आपने कोई एक सरफेस लिया है, उस पे है जो टेक्सचर्स आप दे रहे हो, आपने पूरा सरफेस कवर कर दिया। हर एक कीवर्ड्स की टेक्निक होती है, या फिर उसको फील होना चाहिए टेक्सचर। अब जैसे कि टेक्सचर्स में ये पूरे पेपर्स में भी फिल कर सकता था, राइट, बट नहीं फिल किया, क्योंकि इसके फिल करने पे इसकी आइडेंटिटी चेंज हो जाएगी। तो आप अपने कीवर्ड्स के अकॉर्डिंग प्लेसिंग भी करना सीखिए कि टेक्सचर्स को मुझे कहाँ प्लेस करना है, राइट। अगर कोई इल्यूजन है या फिर कोई चीज लेना देना, तो आप बीच में टेक्सचर्स को इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में दिखाओगे, या फिर आपका कोई दूसरा कीवर्ड्स है तो आप कहीं और से प्लेसिंग स्टार्ट करोगे। तो ये सारी चीजों का आज अंडरस्टैंड करना है, कीवर्ड्स के अकॉर्डिंग आपको टेक्सचर्स बनाने हैं। तो आई थिंक सबको समझ में आ गया आज क्या करना है, या फिर किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप पूछ सकते हो।
So guys, you just need to take one emotion and select a texture that will work accordingly. तो पहले emotion choose करना is very important. Take happiness, take enthusiasm, romance, love, distress, sadness, ऐसे करके emotions लो। उस पे फिर हम लोग टेक्सचर डेवलप करेंगे, चाहे वो हमारा चाइनीज फोल्डिंग हुआ, like we will try to fold paper and stick, or like Piyush showed you, we will try to crumple paper and stick it together in a form, या फिर हमारा fringing हुआ तो we will try to cut paper and then stick it, but according to emotion. Random हम कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि अगर हम kid के लिए, if we are making a product for the kid, it should be fun, it should be creative, it should have a lot of colors. So that's why try to work in this direction. जैसे अभी लास्ट क्लास में हम लोगों ने मोमेंटो और ट्रॉफी किया था, तो अगर गार्डनर है तो उसके लिए यू विल हैव टू यूज मोर ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स, गार्डनिंग टूल्स। तो ये सारे एलिमेंट को किस तरह यूज करना is also very important. So let's start choosing by emotion. So put in the chat one emotion that you are taking and we'll move forward from there. Everyone start taking emotion and put it on the chat. और ज्यादा सोचना नहीं है, पहले प्रोडक्ट के बारे में मत सोचो, प्रोडक्ट तो कुछ भी हो सकता है। try to take the emotion. Bonding, okay. Sakshi bonding, Riya shock, Sneha joy, happiness, Soumya loneliness, trust, depression, angry, confusion, anger, anxiety. Yes, there are 40 people. Please take care, laugh. Laughing will not be an emotion. Emotion will be joy or happy. Stress, happiness. You can take surprise. You can take anticipation. Take difficult ones. Just say, don't take common ones. Depression, suspicious, you can take these kind of things. Crazy, yes. Love, joy, peaceful, good. Chitra has taken peaceful. Rest, quickly. I need at least 38 or 37 emotions here. Guys, in these classes, we all have to work together. We all have to do things together, and that's how we will move forward to the next topic or the next project. So try to take it. Okay. Aggressive, depression, horrible, try. I think almost everyone has taken. Piyush, can you show them more examples?
Guys, थोड़े से डिफरेंट यस मैम, थोड़े से कीवर्ड्स थोड़े से डिफरेंट लो, ऐसे क्राई, लव और हैप्पीनेस से इट्स नॉर्मल थोड़े से डिफरेंट आप ले सकते हो, राइट? तो इल्यूजन हो गया या फिर और डिस्ट्रैक्शन, ये सब बहुत ज्यादा वैसे थोड़े से लो जिसपे आप वर्क कर सकते हो। लव और ये जॉय ये तो बहुत ही इजी हो गए हैं, तो आप थोड़े से
हार्ट एंड,
डिफरेंट ले
हाँ,
सकते
हार्ट
हो।
और स्माइली ये सब नहीं बनाना है इसमें, इट्स टोटली एब्स्ट्रैक्ट।
थोड़े से कीवर्ड्स थोड़े से डिफरेंट लो, ऐसे क्राई, लव और हैप्पीनेस से इट्स नॉर्मल थोड़े से
Okay,
डिफरेंट आप ले सकते
quickly,
हो, राइट?
have you
तो
all taken
इल्यूजन
it?
हो गया या फिर और डिस्ट्रैक्शन, ये सब बहुत ज्यादा guys थोड़े से
I think Piyush, तुम्हारा voice echo. Okay. Okay, guys, quickly. Contempt. Okay, good. Vrinda, Anjali both took contempt. Are you friends? Sonali, imagination. Okay, till the time you all are choosing, try to choose and collect your materials. We have Krishna sir here. Krishna sir, can you hear us? Krishna sir, am I audible, visible to you? I think we are unable to.
ये होंगे कीवर्ड्स। अब उस कीवर्ड्स के ऊपर आपको जो टेक्सचर्स आ रहा है कि आप क्या क्या कर सकते हो, आपने जैसे मैम ने टेक्निक्स बताई है, आपको उसके ऊपर वर्क करना है। तो जो आपका फाइनल आउटकम निकल के आना चाहिए वो आपके कीवर्ड से है, जो रिलेट होना चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आउट ऑफ बॉक्स चला गया आपका। तो उसकी प्लेसिंग हो गई या फिर क्या टेक्सचर्स डालने हैं, तो कुछ टेक्सचर्स फोल्डिंग प्लिटिंग, तो आप देख रहे हो ना कैसे टेक्सचर्स को किया गया है। ये तो बहुत ज्यादा टाइम इसमें लगा है, बट आप लोग ये सारी टेक्निक्स यूज कर सकते हो कि कीवर्ड्स के अकॉर्डिंग आपको कैसे वर्क करना है। तो अब सेकेंड आप काटना, जैसा आपका कीवर्ड्स है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप वर्क करो। फोल्डिंग करना है, कटिंग करना है, आपकी प्लीटिंग करना है। मैम ने 2-3 टेक्निक बताई हुई हैं, आप उसके थ्रू टेक्सचर्स को करना स्टार्ट करो। आपको एक छोटा सा पीस लेना है, आई थिंक मैं कितना A2 कितना A2 नहीं A5 ले लो,
पीयूष
और
पहले
इतना बड़ा
पूछ लो
पीस ले सकते
A5
हो
कितना
स्क्वायर
होता
आप
है।
उस सबको पता है ना A5 क्या साइज होता है।
This is A4, guys. If you can see, this
अच्छा,
is an A4 sheet.
A
इसका आधा A5.
Half of A4.
Yes, half of A4
हाँ,
is A5. Half of A3 is?
Ma'am.
Half of A3 is?
A4.
डबल ऑफ
A4.
A4. Half of A2?
A4.
A3.
A3.
Okay, good. So please keep in
तो
mind A4
आप लोग
this is
साइजिंग दे।
A5. इतना छोटा सा ही बनाना है, so that later on you can use it in places in your exam. Okay, Krishna sir, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I hope I'm audible now. Still not? No.
Yes, you are audible now.
Yes, sir.
Am I?
Yes.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, finally. Chalo. Hello, everyone. I just say hello, you guys, and I realize nobody is. Finally, chalo. Well, so how are you, Pius? How are you doing? It's long time. I heard you are not keeping well.
Now I'm fine.
अभी ठीक हो आप?
Yes sir, अभी ठीक है।
अभी पता चला दिल्ली निफ्ट जो है वो ऑपरेशन नॉट फॉर स्टूडेंट बट देयर मैनेजमेंट ऑपरेशन विल स्टार्ट इन जून फर्स्ट वीक, और उसके बाद आप लोगों के लिए खोला जाएगा।
मैनेजमेंट जा रहा है।
So after this 4.0 lockdown they will start, and then they are the meeting, I think 2 दिन पहले मीटिंग हुई उनकी, उसी में उन्होंने डिसाइड करा, and then they
मंडे
will
को हुई
decide.
है फैकल्टी की।
yes and then they will decide your jury. बहुत जल्दी तुम्हारी जूरी होने वाली है, पता है तुम्हें?
मैं प्रिपेयर हूँ पहले से ही।
yeah I see तुमने बहुत काम करा है। Well, guys, yeah, I'm here to see, like, I'm so happy. I can see many of you are from all across, so many students. It's a very recent batch, newly found batch. Most of you just attended 1 or 2 classes, or maybe a week class, not more than that. So I hope you are aware about the way the classes are going on. Few of even in my contact also कई बार बात हुई है मेरी आप लोगों से. So what is the overall these exams are? मैं एक दो example दूंगा. It's just one thing. You can keep working meanwhile. Rimjim ma'am was keep telling me I missed the last day also. Today also at the same time I'm supposed to join by 2:10 and I got a call and I disconnected the call immediately. So today sure I'll be here another 5-10 minutes with you guys. Meanwhile I think काम दे दिया ना Rimjim ma'am इनको? Yes. As I got it.
Yes,
It.
sir.
You do not need to even unmute yourself. I got your point.
Yes.
So finally she's happy now. So we will discuss today. So what all challenges and things are there. And meanwhile, I would like Chitra, Aditya, please mute yourself. If you want to discuss with me and you have any question, you can write in chat box so that I'm audible. I want you guys to listen me. So well, I'll give you example just recent. I will not tell you the name of the student. One of my students, there are many, few of them they clear NIFT and ID both. But just now I was having a word with one of the students. He called me. She cleared the NATA, NIFT. I mean, no, she is appearing for NATA. NATA is in August, but she cleared an ID and NIFT both. And now she want admission in this colleges. She has given exam for MIT also and couple of other college like UID and all. So she is having a work stress. I tried to understand her around 20 minutes. I told her, okay, tell me what all happened. And what I realized when we have this example I keep giving, when we have many options, you dream it, okay, if I would clear the IIT, NID and NIFT, oh, what will be the life? But situation is you are shortlisted for NID and NIFT. So already you have preparation for these two exams. And if you have cleared the NIFT, even this is for you guys also. So right now, do not focus for BBA admission in some other college, writing couple of exams, please avoid. Because you just need to give 4 to 6 dedicated week time. And that is very much important for this preparation. Then only you will have a great result. And we are ensuring if you will score, whomsoever is here, will score 80, 90 plus in your exam, obviously you will have good result. There is no doubt you will get one of the best center because you are shortlisted. So anything, if you will see Grand Slam, you have heard about PV Sindhu. Sindhu Silver was the name because he was keep getting shortlisted and getting into Grand Slam final and she was losing the match. 5th time she won finally the gold. So till the time you will not win, you will not have top results. There is no value. Do you want your rank in 5,000 and you want your rank in top? That's matter a lot. And that's what our agenda also, if whichever batch you have joined, we'll make sure we divide the syllabus also. None of the institution having a syllabus for the more than 1 month. We have syllabus right now. I think this new batch attending a regular class also and along with that advanced batch class also. So for you also, we are taking it 2 batch class. That's maybe you may have a everyday classes because of that. So thing is, we decided to make sure that you will have best result. We have a syllabus and classes and paper so that we will continue till your exam. So I don't want another student should go in the same zone, same anxiety zone and you get tense. Please don't let happen these things. Stay happy, cool, calm, compose in whatever situation. These are not a pressure. Think about the pressure students who is in final year and they have a GP, they are supposed to have their graduation show, fashion show, and almost they are done with everything and now they don't know when they will have exams. Think about the pressure, though they have joined the industry and their salary reduction is 70%. So entire world is in problem. And I'm talking about big companies. I'll not tell here the name, though they have deducted salary like that. So you really don't have any tension. The only tension is, only problem is you have so many questions. You are having access information which is not required. That means the information which you are collecting from across the world and talking about, okay, should I use the tape? Should I use this? Should I use that? That is called access information. Extra thinking means rather than working, you are thinking so much. Okay, what will happen? So do not think a lot. Do not collect the information. Believe first in yourself. Second, wherever you are associated, either Ignite or somewhere else, or maybe some other organization or XYZ, follow the one direction. Then only you can achieve. Like, we keep talking, Eklavya and all, ऐसे focus, ऐसे चाहिए. So that is required for your exam. Trust factor is very important. Follow the one guideline, that is very important. Which I realize, I keep seeing a feedbacks and classes videos, the previous class videos, which I found. So you will not have these tension and questions if you'll do that. Second thing, do not share any work which you are doing in these classes with anywhere else. है ना, सब जगह से comment ला रहे हैं. We are already working a lot for your comment and research, हम आपके ex-NIFT faculties, current faculties, कई सारे लोगों को आपके वीडियोस और काम भेजते हैं. So try to improve your creativity skill. जो मैं अपने प्रोडक्ट को कैसे प्रेजेंट करूं, अच्छे से तैयार हो जाओ, वीडियो बनाओ, उस पे काम करो. वर्क डायरेक्शन आपका गलत हो रहा है. मतलब आपने एक प्रोडक्ट बनाया और 10 लोगों को फीडबैक के लिए भेजा, आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. आप 5 प्रोडक्ट बना लो, उसके अच्छे वीडियोस बनाओ, एंड वी कीप टॉकिंग अबाउट द क्रिएटिव वे हाउ यू कैन डू इट, है ना. खुद को प्रेजेंटेबल बनाओ, so that may impact you and we'll give you the feedback. All right, so ये सब चीजें हैं जो बेसिक फोकस करना है आप लोगों को. Make sure you are a winner, you are shortlisted, you are selected. From here we have to push ourselves a bit more, and for that we have enough resources. मैंने खुद 4 बार एग्जाम दिया सिचुएशन टेस्ट की, निफ्ट की. अब बोले 4 बार क्यों दिया था, बाद भी दिया, to have experience. I have experience of entire my college life. रिमझिम, आप थोड़ा रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करोगे? किसी से कंपेयर भी मत करो. If somebody is able to do some work in 10 minutes और कोई बंदा आपका 1 hour में कर रहा है ना, या कोई किसी ने एक दिन में 4 प्रोडक्ट बना लिया and you are able to do it only 1. Do not get disappointed and demotivated. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? We have to beat ourselves every day. Take suggestion, we will help you. So how you can fold, how you can make. We'll share you some videos. Step by step, we'll do the preparation. Do not go on online such videos which is they themselves they are doing it something which is you cannot even use it in the exams, and you cannot use those methods. That is not applicable. So why will use that? No point to going for. If you are making it lot of kirigami and origami design, cut करके बनाते एक product को night lamp, and that's taking 2 hour time. And that 2 hour time का night lamp I am showing you in 5-minute video, छोटा करके, it is not for you. It's not meant for you. That's what I'm telling you. That will spoil and disappoint you. Don't worry. So we'll make sure the method and all what we learn, that will help you a lot in your exam. That is way enough. Today, Piyush may teach you some techniques also quickly, and Rimjim. So you carry on with your classes. Yes. Right now, one more thing. Yes, thank you. So 2 more minutes I will take for another announcement. Soon you will have access of app, or many of you have told you for the review and all, you are aware. I think some batch you were there 1 week before to say thank you, % extra sell on our all products because of your review and all this. So keep doing it. We need it. So end of the session, Rimji ma'am will tell you, and she will share you all links also how to do it and what is the procedure. But that should not be like in a video announcement, ma'am. You should close the recording of that. And anytime anyone having any doubt, anything, please contact me. We will surely help you. Okay? Don't worry. All the best. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Krishna sir. Okay. So guys, let's continue. Okay, the first thing I want to tell you is cutter. Guys, just take 1 minute of your time and looking into this. So if you all don't know how to use the cutter, the first tip of the cutter is used for cutting, right? We put a scale and we cut. Scale should be a steel scale. Do not use a plastic scale because the plastic wala scale wo nikalne lagega cutter se. So try to buy a steel scale when you cut straight lines from a cutter. Okay. Now, second most important thing is this back. Do you see the back of this cutter? This is used for edging and folding, which means when you have to cut, you use this side on the paper when it is the edging and folding, you do this. So suppose this is the paper. If I have to normally fold it, I will fold it like this, right? But if I use the back of the cutter, which is I take the back and I do this lining on it, then it will fold like this. So see the finish of the folding when I use the back of a cutter, and that is what the back of the cutter is meant for. So whenever you are folding anything into half, triangle, whatever, try to use the back of the cutter. Also, the important thing is whenever your cutter blade gets blunt, you have to take this thing out, which is at this back. You have to take it out. One second. You know, I think mine is a little tight and it's not coming out. So this thing that is at the back of the cutter for you, try to take it out. If you have a cutter right now, try to take it out. That will come out and you have to cut the blade so that you don't use a blunt cutter all the time. So please remember the uses of a paper cutter. Front is for cutting, back side is for edging. And you take this thing out, you put it here and you cut the blade. You can see there are lines in the blade which you can use, but be very careful. Don't spoil blood everywhere on the paper and things. Okay, this is for the cutter. Now for the Fevicol, like I said yesterday, whenever you are pasting, you will not use your hands. Put it on a paper, take a paper strip, put it at the back of a paper like this on the side. Then take a back of a pencil or a back of another paper and then try to, and then try to paste it. Do not use your hands. You should not use your hands and Fevicol on the paper. It will look very unneat. It will make your hands very dirty. So try to do that. Now let's come, if you have started working, I will show you a few more techniques. So the first one which I was talking about is folding, right? Chinese folding, just taking and folding the paper. Now what you can do is, instead of a straight paper, you can cut it into different forms and then stick it for some texture, right? This is Chinese folding. Try to use this technique. The other one which we have told you is this kind of fringing, which means I take a strip of paper, I just fold it, I fold the sheet, I take a scissor and I cut. I cut not till the end, only till half. Like cut it half in small strips like fringing. Once you will open it, it will have become like this. So you can also do is roll it, like I try to roll it on a pencil or my finger. And you can just fold this, right? So you can stick these kind of textures, fringing. You can also do layering of fringing, as you can see in this one. I have taken tissue papers, if this is visible, and I have stuck them half on this. You can fold it to use it. You can stick it as a carpet anywhere. This is one kind of texture. Another kind of texture that Piyush also showed you. Take the waste paper, fold it, crumple it like you will crumple anything. Like take a small paper, whichever is left, crumple it, stick it on the sides. This kind of texture also you can make. Now another one which they call is kirigami. Cut the shape and take it out. That's why I try to use more of cutter than scissor. Scissor is for, you know, round shapes or those curved shapes, but for straight shapes and for kirigami, try to use a sharpened, like, you know, a good cutter. Paper cutter should always be used for neat things, and you can then open it up. You can paste a different paper on the back of this. how to make this shape on paper? By pencil. Okay, so you take a pencil, make a triangle shape, use a cutter and cut the top. See, if I close this, all of this that came out. One second, few people are admitting. Okay, so imagine if it was a plain paper. I made different triangles. You can make any kind of shape. You just cut half. You just cut from here to there. That's it, and open it up. And if you want, you can stick another paper over it. That way you can cut and paste as many things as you like. Okay, guys, quickly just rejoin this session and we'll continue. Just click on the same link, everyone, and rejoin quickly.